हेलो भाई साहब, कैसे हैं जी? सब ठीक हैं, बढ़िया हैं। तो आज का वीडियो है जी, वी टुक द
fastest
फास्टेस्ट
train in South Asia.
200
किलोमीटर
आगे भी पढ़ लिया करो, जब शुरू होते हैं तो पढ़ लिया करो फिर।
वंदे भारत
वंदे भारत
एक्सप्रेस.
एक्सप्रेस है।
तो ये कोई ब्लॉगर आई थिंक के
Yes.
फॉरेनर है, यूरोप की है, साउथ एशिया की।
अच्छा, साउथ एशिया की तो वो कहते हैं फास्टेस्ट ट्रेन।
ट्रेन है मेरे
और ये है जी ओनली वन ग्विलिया।
ये बाइक
ग्विलिया
है कोई।
ग्विलिया
हाँ।
ये किस देश की हैं? पहले चेक तो करो भाई साहब इसको।
यूरोप की होगी, ऑस्ट्रेलिया की या अमेरिका की।
बहुत अच्छा, कैसा बंदा है। एक चीज़ है कि यूरोप बोल के फिर अमेरिका और ऑस्ट्रेलिया चला गया कि अमेरिका ऑस्ट्रेलिया यूरोप में है।
वो तो लेदर है।
हाँ, तो फिर वो यार
मैं नाम लेने लगा था ना, जर्मनी,
अच्छा।
बेल्जियम।
अच्छा, सारे ले लिए। तुमने कहा कि चलो अमेरिका की नहीं होगी
किसी एक की
तो
तो
यूरोप
होगी।
की होगी, नहीं तो ऑस्ट्रेलिया की होगी,
कहीं तो
फिर
तुक्का
एशिया
लगेगा।
रहेगा, फिर अफ्रीका या अंटार्कटिका का सारे बोल दो पीछे।
बट जर्मन है.
अच्छा चलें, चेकआउट कर लेते हैं भाई साहब ये किधर की है। जर्मनी।
जर्मनी, हाँ।
यार जर्मनी की है, मुझे पहले ही पता था, जर्मन लग रही थी शक्ल से। तो चलें जी, स्टार्ट करते हैं, इनका ब्लॉग देखते हैं भाई।
This is the first time we are actually going to experience the Vande Bharat train.
Have your chai or whatever and just look at the view.
Europe, take note. I think we do have paneer, dal, sabzis, and chapatis. Oh, you was not supposed to stay in the train.
The train leaves in 10 minutes.
There is a party.
It's insane. Hey guys, Jilia here. We are here in Ahmedabad and we are heading back to Mumbai. We're here at the Gandhinagar station. This is the first time we are actually going to experience the Vande Bharat train from Ahmedabad directly to Mumbai. 1:34 and our train
It's gonna be a 5+ hours journey, and we're gonna reach Central Mumbai station.
Wow, look at this train, just whole experience. So this is part of the train station, this is part of the train station, and this is the train. It's such a smooth experience. Quite clean, quite empty, quite spacious. Reminds me a bit of the Berlin train station,
Yeah,
right?
even like the Frankfurt train station, you know, when we go to the airport. Yeah, the station is extremely modern. But yeah, super excited to try this new freshly baked train, homemade in India. Yeah, what I was telling Shrey is, I think there is a party or something. There is a party.
Yeah, this is the best train station I've seen so far. Really clean and really like spacious, modern, and such a smooth experience. You literally stop your car outside the station, come in, and there's this train waiting. Okay, I think now enough filming. We need to get to our coach in time. The train leaves in 10 minutes. Our coach is actually on the other side.
I'm so happy that there is such a service in India right now, and I just hope that more and more cities will be connected. There are a lot of people that actually have moved away from their home because of work in India, and so this is going to enable them to reach their families faster. I don't know, it just makes me happy. Time to go inside. So our seats are number 11 and 12. Let's go. Wow, just like it's so spacious. The seats are super ergonomic, so I can already see doing video editing in here. Look, these are our seats. This is already ready for Shrey to sleep.
Somebody knew that this was going to be my seat, so they already kept it in the sleeping position.
I am from Italy, but I live in Germany with my husband Shrey.
Wow.
Small world.
Zabardast.
I think he got trapped in the train. Oh, he was not supposed to stay in the train.
He wasn't coming, he was just came out to drop us.
Oh!
About Dawad Road.
Oh, they
Acha,
stopped
रुक
him.
गए.
That's so kind. Actually, he didn't manage to get off. We thought he did. So he's gonna get off at the next station, the Central Ahmedabad station. Anyway, he's just enjoying time with his friends. So let's go.
This is something we just discovered here. Apparently the chairs swivels. You can have your chai or whatever and just look at the view. Isn't that cool?
Europe, take note, for real. Also, let me show you the amount of lugs that there are here.
Proud and happy that finally in India we have a train that's at the same standards and level as any train that you find in Europe. Like this is exactly like the German fast ICE trains from Deutsche Bahn. It's a little bit better because the seats swivel. Everything works super well. I really hope that we will take good care of this train and not trash it. Please. If you think Vande Bharat is far, wait till you see the bullet train that's coming up. They're actually building the lines for that right here. So let's see what they got. Wow, they have a kachori, the Morocco. Oh, the Cardinal. Honestly, I think now if they start this train, all the routes by airplane.
It's also more sustainable for the environment, actually, if you think about it.
Julia's not gonna have her kachori, so I'm gonna take it home with me. No. You know, because
You have to be
she has
healthy.
banned me from eating fried food, so.
In fact, you can see how influential I am as a wife. I was telling Shrey that I find it so cute that finally people that are working in the trains, they have the little label saying what's their name. And most of the time, whether that is in a restaurant, are never able to call people by name. And for me, it's really important. We are like 3.5 hours in our journey. It's a really comfortable journey. Shrey is editing the video, just having like a super chill time. The sun is on my face. What else do you need? And yeah, they keep it super clean.
Because Julia is the seasoned YouTuber, she gave me a little tip which I think is very useful. She thinks that I get too serious in front of the camera and I should just have fun.
Thing is, Shrey is extremely funny. Extremely funny.
So let me know two things, guys, in the comments below. One, do I appear conscious in front of the camera? And number two, am I funny on the camera?
We crack so many jokes off camera, and then as soon as the camera goes on, it's just like, he knows that the camera is on, you know what I'm saying? You tell us. Okay, we are how many hours in?
We were like five and a half hours
And how do we feel?
hungry.
I think that's our dinner coming. We're actually arriving in Mumbai, I think, in 1 hour and, I don't know, 15 or 20 minutes.
I'm really curious what they will serve, you know. But whatever they serve, I really like train food, so I'm gonna have it.
It doesn't feel like we spent 5.5 hours on a train. Really comfortable journey, right?
I was able to edit a whole YouTube video on the train, which means
Yeah. Of course, we are a little bit tired.
actually I prefer this over a flight. There's more leg room, it's just more comfy, no security, just go straight to the train.
This is for mommy because she has been telling us you should take trains in India. You were right.
Moms and wives are always right. Or so I've been told to say on camera.
Thank you. He's going to review the food.
Let's see what they got. Let's go.
Nice. Why are you doing this? This is marriage, guys. I think we do have paneer, dal, sabzis, rice, and chapatis.
For me, it's a thumbs up. Just by looking at it, I know it's good.
Of course, there is
ट्रेन में
paneer.
अच्छा खाना मिलता है.
Dal and rice and then for some reason I love the parathas and trains. I'll go for the paneer. I love it. It's really oily, greasy, but it's really tasty. Food is approved.
I had asked Shrey if he can film me having my food, but he's so deep into his food. Anyway, I just wanted to show you my tiffin. Yes, bindi and just some veg pulao. Really bland because I have a stomach bug 1 week ago. Therefore, I can't have spicy food at all. Most of my food, besides the curd rice, I will just create curd rice out of this. And the parathas will go to Shrey, who is happy because he's gonna have 2 portions. The amount of people that went after him, that stopped him, is insane.
Our journey is finally over. I think we had an incredible time. At the train is super modern.
एशिया में
Just
ऐसे
like a
रोकते हैं
European train, to be honest, with the added
ये लोग
benefit
पकड़ते हैं तो
that
ऐसे
the
पकड़ते हैं
chairs
गिरबान से.
swivel. So if you have a train that's takes you to a destination that you want to go to,
क्यों?
I would recommend that over a plane.
Yeah, no, 100%.
beginning of the video, we hope
वैसे किया कभी किसी ने?
there are going to be
मैंने एक दफ़ा किया था।
more cities in India
लेकिन
going
short,
like this,
long
because
नहीं।
it's just gonna be revolutionary for a lot of like, you know, international travel and interstate traveling in India.
All right, time for us to go home.
Yeah.
Hope you like the video. As always,
Click the like button.
subscribe to our channel. Press
तो कर लें जी सब्सक्राइब। और ये था वीडियो जोड़ी इटली और जर्मनी की।
अच्छी लग रही थी जाने का।
अच्छा है कपल।
था।
चलें, इंडिया में उन्होंने सफ़र किया है जी वंदे भारत पर।
मुझे लग
और
रहा था
उसका-
लड़का इंडियन है।
हाँ मुझे भी लगा था, लेकिन उसने बोला कि जर्मनी
वंदे
चलो
भारत।
जर्मनी क्या लेकिन मुझे इंडियन क्यों लग रही है?
मुझे भी
वैसे
इंडियन
देखने से इस तरह ही लगता
जर्मन लग नहीं रहा, ये इंडियन है। और रहता मे भी कि उसके पास नेशनैलिटी होगी जर्मनी की,
हो सकता है।
कि बेसिकली ये मुझे इंडियन ही लग रहा है।
व्लॉग अच्छा बनाया हुआ था।
हाँ, क्योंकि शक्ल से वो इंडियन लग रहा है।
है। लड़की तो इटालियन लग रही है।
इटालियन बेटा वो पता लगा तो लग रही है ना। वैसे मुझे व्लॉग से पहले जर्मन लग रही थी ना। जब मैंने जर्मनी का देखा तो मैं पक्का हो गया कि जर्मनी का मतलब उनकी ओरिजिन जो है वो जर्मनी है चैनल की, तो वो जर्मनी से होगा। लेकिन वो तो देखने को वो
अच्छा,
जब
वैसे
वीडियो में
बहुत ज्यादा लोग आते हैं इंडिया को एक्सप्लोर करने।
इंडिया बहुत बड़ा देश है और वैसे भी मौका मिलना चाहिए सभी को यार जाने का। और अच्छे अच्छे
पाकिस्तान को भी मिलना चाहिए यार मौका।
तुम्हें पहले दे देंगे है ना। वो मिलता तो है तुम्हें, वो गाना चलाते तो हैं वर्ल्ड कप के मौके पर, मौका मौका।
नहीं, इस दफा नहीं चलाया।
इस दफा नहीं चलाया तो इस दफा काम भी नहीं हुआ, वरना चला देते तो शायद कुछ रिजल्ट और हो जाता। मौका मिल, इस दफा तो सुना ही नहीं है मौका मौका, वरना मौके वाली ऐड बहुत चलती थी। चले, लेकिन इस दफा ये है कि हमने इंडियन चैनल भी नहीं वो केबल पर आते, तो पहले आते होते थे, तो वो उस वजह से हमें मौका मौका देखने को मिल जाता था। लेकिन अब तो वो भी बंद हो गए हैं, तो इस वजह से मेरा ख्याल है कि नहीं, शायद चलाया हो उन्होंने, ये भी हो सकता है। क्योंकि पहले हम स्टार स्पोर्ट्स पर मैच देखते थे, तो अब स्टार स्पोर्ट्स क्योंकि बंद कर दिया गया है, तो अब हमें दूसरे चैनल्स पर अपने PTV या ATV वगैरह पर देखना पड़ता है, तो उस पर तो वो मौका नहीं चलेगा। चलें, बाकी आते हैं वापस नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। रखें बहुत सारा ख्याल।